A nautical chart is one of the most fundamental tools available to the mariner. It is a map that depicts the configuration of the shoreline and seafloors. It provides water depths, location of dangers to navigation, locations and characteristics of aids to navigation, anchorages, and other features. The nautical chart is essential for safe navigation. Mariners use charts to plan voyages and navigate ships safely and economically. Federal regulations require most commercial vessels to carry electronic or paper nautical charts while they transit U.S. waters. The first is measuring distance and depth. Use the scale indicator to track distance on a chart. Scales are expressed as ratios and differ from map to map. The scale printed in the upper right corner of the map will look something like 1 colon 100,000. A ratio of 1 colon 10,000 indicates that every 1 and 2.5 centimeter the map equals 10,000 and 25,000 centimeter in the real world. Charts with smaller scales provide an up-close view, depicting more area details and markers. Second, find the unit of measurement used to indicate water depth. Look in the upper right corner of the map near the scale. You will see the unit of measurement printed in big letters. You need to know this because charts use sorts of all different measurements. Your chart include feet, fathoms, or meters. Third, read the chart numbers to figure out the water's lowest depth. The black numbers printed on the chart represent water depth. Each number indicates the mean low water or MLW in an area. This is the average water depth at low tide, so most of the time, the water is deeper than what you see on charts. Fourth, multiply fathoms by 6 to measure depths by feet. Numbers written in fathoms have the unique look to them, so they are easy to spot. A fathom listing often consists of a pair numbers. The first number indicates the number of fathoms. The second number, which will be a small subscript, is the number of additional feet. Fifth, multiply meter measurements by 3 to convert them to feet. For uniformity and simplicity, many modern charts use meters. This can be taught to understand if you see the measurements in feet or fathoms. Multiplying by 3 is a quick way to get a relatively accurate estimate of the water's depth.